We're here at SEMA 2025, walking around, checking out some cool new products, and we're here in the McLeod booth, checking out the cool brand new clutch they brought to the show. So we're here with Brian. Tell us all about this thing, because this is super cool.
So what we have here is what we call a Pro Pack. This particular one is for the 2011-2017 Mustang V6 package. It's an upgraded clutch kit, so if you've done some modifications, it'll certainly hold the power that you're now making. But what's really cool is that it's everything that you need to do the job. We've got the flywheel, the disc, the pressure plate, an upgraded clutch line, the throwout bearing, all the fasteners that you need to get the job done right the first time.
Yeah, this is super cool, and what I like about it is it's all in one box, because there's nothing worse than doing a clutch job and not having everything you need. And the cool part about this is you also get a performance clutch out of it. You know, this isn't a factory clutch, but it does have that factory feel, which is very important in something you're driving all the time, because as much as we all love big rowdy race clutches, driving in traffic and stuff, it's not that enjoyable.
No, it's gonna be really old in about 5 minutes. Your leg's gonna be shivering and you're just gonna wanna pull over as fast as you can.
Yeah, we've all been there, you know, sitting in stop and go traffic and your just calf is vibrating, so yeah, this is awesome. So what is the availability on these right now?
All of these are on the shelf, ready to ship.
Super cool. So if you're looking to upgrade the clutch in your Mustang, head over to summitracing.com and check the Pro Pack out. So until next time, guys, I'm Justin. We have Brian here, and we'll see you guys later.